Good afternoon. You've tuned into Money Control. I'm Karunya Rao. With me is Manisha Gupta, and we're here to give you a comprehensive roundup on what's happening in the commodity space. Manisha, oil is down, gold is looking muted, cryptocurrencies have tanked quite a bit, metals are trading weak. What is going on?
Well, this is that profit taking that we've been talking about after that very strong gains that we have seen in the previous year, not just the previous year, but the first quarter of this year as well. So yes, the US dollar is stronger and continues to hold those levels. We are looking at very hawkish statements continuing from the US Fed. There is this traditional asset classes seeing profit taking. So whether it's equities or whether it's commodities, all of that has seen a decline. So the choice of holding clearly or the safe haven clearly is just the US dollar. Everything else is on the decline here, and the kind of economic data we are looking at is not helping. For commodities, China is a big market, and look at the kind of data we've seen from that one in last couple of months. Import numbers, the trade data that came in today also has been a disappointment. So everything that you or everywhere that you look, the markets are looking at very weak numbers.
But like you said, dollar is a safe haven, but so is gold. And right now we're looking at oil, gold, equities and rest of the commodities falling. So does that happen often?
No, it's not textbook at all, because when you look at textbook, it's very defined there. But yes, these are the kind of things we haven't seen in our lifetimes, in our careers. It's very different. So US dollar is holding well. Gold isn't holding well because the markets have pulled out money to pay out for losses for other asset classes as well. That's exactly, by the way, what's happening with crypto as well. You're selling something, you're selling everything then, and you're sitting in cash in a lot of ways. But for gold, the markets do believe that this is one area that could give you better returns, not just this year but the next as well. So if it's gold, it should be a part of your portfolio. We do not tell you to buy too much of gold, but a 10 to 15%, yes. So whether it's 2022, 23 and 24, markets do believe that by 24 we'll be out of various troubles. If you can see that far,
that's a long time.
Yeah, but the next couple of years is believed to be good for gold.
Okay, so what does one do right now? Because I'm sure many of our viewers are invested in cryptocurrencies as well. I'm sure you've spoken to a lot of experts. Now that it's the market cap of cryptos is down to 10-month lows, I mean, is this the time to buy, or is this the time to still be cautious and see how things play out?
You know, when you talk about cryptos, and if you've
always
seen,
cautious,
always cautious, and the point is when the prices decline, the crypto memes go up, is exactly the kind of market we're looking at here. So as you said, 10-month lows on the market capitalization, 1.4 trillion is where we are right now. 6 months ago, around October, was around 3 trillion. So clearly we are half at where we were. Ditto goes for the Bitcoin as well, 10-month lows on that. So from $64,000 of an all-time highs to just about holding 32,000 right now. So the markets have seen a very sharp decline here. But this is exactly what happens in cryptocurrencies. You see very sharp upticks and very sharp declines as well. And it is only the whales or the hodlers, as they call it, which actually end up making money. So not just Bitcoin, but Ethereum is trading at around 10-month lows. You have a Shiba Inu trading at a 7-month lows, a Dogecoin at a 2-month lows as well. And most cryptocurrencies, actually all cryptocurrencies, are trading in the negative for this year, anywhere down from 25% to 70% on the weaker side. And these are the top 10 cryptocurrencies, by the way. So yes, there are concerns. Markets will continue to watch out for what's happening. So there are three things when you look at crypto. One is the strength in US dollar. Second is the sell-off in traditional asset classes. People are buying this as well to pay up money here. And third is a lot of institutional buying that we saw last year in 2021. That seems to be taking some profit as well. So some of the big names are putting their cryptocurrencies on the exchanges. So there is whale selling happening as well, which is not a very comfortable time in cryptocurrencies.
Yeah, as the name sounds. But is the correction in metal prices good news for anyone at all? Even if the end users, like many of the manufacturing companies, should they be relieved, or is it just going to be a brief period of some profit taking and then once again the rally could resume?
So as far as the metal prices go, well, we were talking, it's a great time for producers until a couple of months ago, but now is a great time for consumers right now. So yes, we will see some restocking coming in from consumers right now. Importantly, we have seen a very sharp decline for an aluminum to come off by nearly 28% from its all-time highs, for a copper to come off nearly 20% from its all-time highs. You know, for copper, 10,700 was an all-time high. People thought 10,000 or thereabout is where it'll hold. It's trading sitting at 9200 right now. So we have seen constant correction come in on this one. Inventories are increasing. There is not very strong buying, but the markets do believe that that could turn around in some more time to come.
You don't have to wait till 2024.
No, no, not that one.
Okay, well, there you go. All of the big updates as far as the commodity universe is concerned. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll be back once again at 1 p.m. tomorrow with the latest in commodities space.